12 months ago, we were in your shoes, constantly typing essays, submitting assignments late at night, and stressing about job applications and the future. But that doesn't have to be you this year. Do you want to know why? Because luckily for you, BSG has a solution.
Hey, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Since we value collaboration, openness, and empathy, we as the current graduates in the BSG GDP program have something that we'd like to share with you guys. Knowledge about how to have a happy and, most importantly, healthy honours year experience that will set you up for life after varsity and during varsity. Come with me. Alright, so if you're interested in knowing about how to build professional connections, learning how to manage your honours courses and your honours research, and just generally getting the most out of your honours experience, then please join us at the very first BSG Flex of its kind, where we share our experiences about getting into the working world, tips and tricks about success, and most important, what to look for in an employer.
This Flex session will be the first of many that we host here at BSG as we aim to support you in your honours year so that you can set yourself up for success in varsity and beyond. We're invested in helping you develop a broad base of knowledge so that you can quickly identify where your passions lie. With that, you're then able to identify the areas that interest you the most and build a deep specialist knowledge within those areas. We call that being a T-shaped individual. By exposing you to business, technology, data and analytics, we aim to provide you with a foundation upon which you can build that broad base of knowledge. To find out more about this and future Flex sessions, as well as our GDP program, visit our website today and sign up.